piece of scrap paper and a pencil or a pen and write down a telephone number, then give us a call in the American Bandstand Dance Contest. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. In the meantime, here's the Icicle Works.